Let's make rich, creamy THC-infused salted honey ice cream. This no-churn recipe is smooth, sweet, and perfectly balanced with a touch of sea salt. Each scoop is infused with approximately 15 milligrams of THC, depending on portion size. This recipe will need these ingredients: 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 1 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk, 10 THC Honey Stix, about half a cup total honey, 1/2 teaspoon flaky sea salt. In a large mixing bowl, pour in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Using a whisk or hand mixer, whip until thick and fluffy. Add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Squeeze in 10 THC Honey Stix, about half a cup total honey, for a rich, sweet infusion. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of flaky sea salt and gently fold everything together until well combined. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container and smooth out the top. Cover and freeze for at least 6 hours, or until firm. Once frozen, scoop and serve. For an extra infused kick, drizzle a THC honey stick over each scoop and finish with a pinch of flaky sea salt. This rich, creamy honey ice cream is the perfect balance of sweet and salty. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.